Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Are you experiencing microphone problems with Discord lately? Does your mic work perfectly in other applications, but no mic input is detected when you try to speak in Discord during meetings or calls? In this video, I will share 4 different troubleshooting tips to help you fix your Discord mic if it's not working as expected. Let's go. The first thing you need to do is check your Discord settings to make sure the correct input device is selected. Navigate to User Settings. Browse to App Settings. Open the Voice and Video section. Check the Input Device field and confirm that your device's default microphone is selected. To test your microphone, click Let's Check, and Discord will play back your voice. If you don't get audio feedback from a particular input device, try switching to another one. If you recently installed Discord, the app will ask permission to access your microphone and camera. Allowing Discord to access them is important, so if they're initially denied, you need to adjust your settings. For Windows PC users, open your settings and navigate to Privacy and Security. Browse to the App Permissions section and go to Microphone. Ensure microphone access is enabled for all apps, including Discord. Similar steps can be taken on mobile devices to grant Discord the necessary permissions. Perhaps a temporary software glitch is causing the problem because your device has been active for an extended period of time. If so, rebooting your device can be a simple but effective solution. This process essentially restarts your system processes, allowing them to update and possibly resolve any underlying software conflicts that may be affecting your microphone functionality. Outdated operating systems can sometimes conflict with applications or drivers, leading to a variety of software problems, including microphone issues. To make sure your system is up to date, locate Windows Update settings. Click Check for Updates. Download and install any available updates, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Besides improving overall system performance, updating Windows may introduce new microphone drivers or models that are compatible with your installed version of Discord. Okay, if I've been able to help you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. If something didn't work out and you're stuck, check the comments. Maybe someone has solved the problem. Otherwise, I can try and help you further. I offer personal support on Fiverr and can give you independent advice. I also offer many other services. Feel free to check them out. You'll find the link in the video description. Until next time, bye.